This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. A construction day at Gerhard's in Lidditz. He is a full heavy equipment dealer who also deals with antiques, and once a year has a very informal show where guys can get around and start playing with their antique equipment, moving dirt, and having fun. We're going to get a closer look at this equipment in a few minutes. Oh, look at this operation. Jeez. All mechanical. Those cables. The size of that bucket. I would guesstimate that bucket probably stands about 5 feet tall from bottom to top of the teeth. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at Construction Day at Gerhard's Equipment in Lidditz, PA. It's been really rather wet these past few days. This is a Caterpillar D9G. Boys get to play here, making mincemeat of this soft mud hill. Putting that road grader down. And watch this, watch this. Look how deep he is in the mud. Not stopping that girl. That Caterpillar will walk up a straight wall, I swear. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at Construction Day at Gerhard's in Lidditz, Pennsylvania. For more cool shows like this, make sure you check your wheels every day. Northeast Wheels, Southeast Wheels, and of course UK Wheels.